Today I am reviewing Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've ever struggled to keep your floors spotless, especially with pets, kids, or just everyday messes, the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus cordless vacuum might be exactly what your home needs. This is one of Shark's most advanced and user-friendly cordless vacuums, combining powerful suction, smart detection technology, and an all-floor design in a lightweight package. Let's take a detailed look at what makes this vacuum stand out and why so many people are calling it one of the best cordless vacuums of 2025. Starting with its performance, Shark calls it HyperVelocity suction, and that's not just marketing talk. The PowerPro Reveal Plus delivers an impressive level of suction power that cuts through everyday dirt, dust, and even heavier debris with ease. Whether you're tackling carpets, hard floors, or in-between surfaces, this vacuum has the muscle to handle it all. But what truly makes this vacuum smart is its FloorDetect technology. This system automatically detects what type of floor you're cleaning and adjusts the brushroll speed accordingly. That means you no longer have to manually switch modes between carpet and hardwood. It simply does the thinking for you, ensuring you get maximum cleaning performance without any hassle. And then there's the Dirt Reveal technology, which is one of my favorite features. Built-in illumination reveals hidden dust and debris that your eyes might miss under normal lighting. It's incredibly satisfying to see just how much the Shark PowerPro can pick up, especially when you thought the area was already clean. Combined with LED headlights on the nozzle, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to spot dirt in dark corners or under furniture. Now, pet owners will absolutely love this. Shark includes a self-cleaning brush roll that eliminates hair wrap automatically. If you've ever spent time cutting tangled hair from your vacuum brush, you'll know how big a deal this is. It's perfect for households with long hair or shedding pets. Filtration is another area where this vacuum shines. It features a HEPA filtration system along with Shark's anti-allergen complete seal. Together, they capture and trap over 99.97% of dust and allergens. That's the same level of filtration used in high-end purifiers. It means you're not just cleaning your floors, you're improving your indoor air quality. The runtime is solid as well, up to 40 minutes on a full charge. That's enough to cover an average-sized home without needing to recharge midway. It uses a powerful 21.6-volt lithium-ion battery, and charging takes about 3 hours. So it's quick to top up and ready to go when you need it. When it comes to design, the PowerPro Reveal Plus is lightweight and easy to maneuver, weighing just over 7 pounds. It glides effortlessly around furniture, and you can easily lift it to clean stairs or tight spaces. It also converts into a handheld vacuum in seconds, allowing you to clean countertops, upholstery, and even your car interior. You also get a couple of handy attachments, an 8-inch crevice tool for corners and tight spots, and an upholstery tool for sofas and chairs. Together, they make this a truly versatile all-in-one cleaning tool. In terms of build and style, the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus looks sleek and modern with its charcoal matte finish. The controls are simple, intuitive, and right at your fingertips. You get one-touch operation with a push button, so there's no learning curve here. It's also worth noting that this model ranks as one of the best-selling stick vacuums on Amazon, holding the #1 spot in its category with over 11,000 positive reviews and an average rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. That's a strong testament to its reliability and user satisfaction. If we talk about pros, the suction power, smart detection system, lightweight design, and HEPA filtration easily top the list. It's powerful enough for deep cleaning yet convenient enough for quick touch-ups. On the flip side, if you have a very large home, you might find the 40-minute runtime a bit limiting, but that's expected with most cordless vacuums in this range. In conclusion, the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus cordless vacuum is a fantastic option for anyone who wants an all-floor cleaning solution that's powerful, intelligent, and easy to use. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dust, or just everyday messes, this vacuum delivers impressive results every single time. If you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning setup, this is definitely a model worth investing in. It brings together smart technology, excellent suction, and true convenience, all from one of the most trusted brands in cleaning innovation.